Ever feel like your ideas get lost in a sea of drafts? Meet Mindrift.ea, your new creative companion that turns your Mindrift into actionable insights. Whether you are brainstorming, organizing, or seeking inspiration, Mindrift.ea is here to help you navigate the currents of your creativity. Let's drift and discover together. So first of all you have to do is open your web browser and dive into Mindrift.ea. So this is the homepage. As you can see, we have here various information. But firstly, let's know what is Mindrift. Mindrift is a community of experts dedicated to generating high-quality data for improving EA, composed of EA tutors, freelance experts, writers, and editors committed to innovation and excellence. We leverage collective knowledge and skills to pioneer the next generation of generative EA models. And we have also other information here. So let's come back to the home page. We have other things like you select here who are you, writer, editor, domain experts, and we have also here annotators, resources like blog, fake, and whereas the definition of Mindrift. Also we have here fake, like some questions here about payment scale requirements and fakes. So if come back the homepage here of Mindrift, you have your join the Quality Improving EA, get paid to write, edit, or annotate content for EA on the platform built for humans with complete time and location flexibility. So if we scroll down, we have here various things like why should you try it? So first we have the flexibility. The flexible working approach is a game changer and fits his imperfectly with my career. Then we have great community. I like the community, especially the leads and editors I work with. Then we have they are already really kind and helpful. The last one is get paid frequently. To be honest, the pay rate is high in comparison to other platforms. And you have here fake also like about Mindrift, so some information about Mindrift definition and how it works, then how you can get it started. So what are the steps to join? Will I get trained? So all I have to do is click over here to know more about qualification, also then payment, and finally hours. So here we have learn more and apply to join. I will show you how you can apply, and then I will give you some steps you can follow it and you start earning money with Mindrift. First one we have here writer. If you are a writer, all I have to do is click over apply now. So apply as a writer, become an AI tutor, get ahead start in the job market tomorrow. So you write your first name, last name, email address, phone number, country, also LinkedIn profile, personal website, and you click over here if you are agree in those things. The first one you have I agree that you can keep my data for an extended time period so that it will be easier for you to contact me about job opportunities. The second one you have I confirm that I have read and understood the Mindrift privacy notice and I gave Mindrift my consent to the processing of my personal data for the purpose of invitation users to apply. So then you click over here and you submit your application and you start with Mindrift. But how you can earn money as a writer using Mindrift.ea? So first you have to you can just leverage the platform's features to enhance your writing process, generate ideas, and streamline content creation. So right now I'll give you some ways you can monetize your writing skills. The first one we have content creation and freelance writing like articles and blog posts or ghost writing, and second one you have self-publishing like ebooks and courses and guides. Then we have the third one is copywriting and marketing content like ad copy and sales pages or content marketing. The fourth one we have creative writing like fiction and poetry script writing. Also we have affiliate marketing and sponsored content like affiliate reviews, sponsored content, and the last one is editing and proofreading areas for improvement. But if you are an editor, all you have to do is click over here apply now. So earn money editing refers content to advance EA enjoy a flexible schedule while getting ready for the world of tomorrow. So firstly you write your first name, then your last name, email address, phone number, country, LinkedIn profile, personal website, and you click over here if you are agree in those things. Then you submit the application. So as an editor, you can use Mindrift.ea to enhance your editing services and streamline your workflow. Here are several ways to earn money as an editor using Mindrift.ea. So firstly, we have freelance editing services like copy editing, developmental editing, and the second one we have content review and feedback like manuscript review, and we have also the third one editorial consulting like author coaching, content strategy consulting, and the fourth one we have content curation and management like creating anthologies, managing editorial projects, and the fifth one we have educational services like editing guides and ebooks, and the last one is affiliate marketing and partnership like promoting tools and services. And that's it with editors. So right now if you are domain expert, you all have to do is click over domain, apply now here in domain expert. You write your first name again, last name, email, phone number, country, LinkedIn profile, personal website, and you click over here if you are agree in those things. Then you submit your application. So as a domain expert, you have specialized knowledge in a particular file, and there are many ways to monetize this expertise. Here are some strategies to earn money as a domain expert. The first one we have consulting and advisory services like consulting, or the second one we have content creation and publishing, writing articles and books like online courses and workshops. The third one we have speaking engagement and webinars like public speaking webinars and online courses, webinars and online events. And the fourth one we have expertise witness and legal consulting like expert witness, and also we have coaching and mentoring like one-on-one coaching, group action coaching, group coaching, and mastermind. Then the sixth one you have developing and selling like specialized products or proprietary tools and resources specialist. Also we have membership sites and subscriptions, and we have seventh one affiliate marketing and sponsorship, and the last one we have academic and research opportunities like teaching an academy or grants and funding. That's it for domain expert. So Mindrift.ea offers a versatile platform for earning money by dropping into creative and intellectual pursuits. Whether you are a writer, editor, content creator, consultant, or entrepreneur, Mindrift.ea can help you streamline your processes, generate new ideas, and enhance the quality of your work. By leveraging its tools and features, you can efficiently produce high-quality content, develop marketable products, and offer valuable services. The platform's ability to assist in brainstorming, organizing, and refining ideas makes it an invaluable resource for turning your skills and creativity into a profitable venture. With Mindrift.ea, you can unlock new income streams and maximize your earning potential by transforming innovative ideas into tangible results. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.